Welcome back to another episode. I am in the southwest trying to get to a hut that was built in 1880 and is still standing. Okay, it's got a little bit of help with some poles and stuff, but I'm trying to get to it so I can stay there the night and check it out. It was built for cattle. I'm not going to tell you too much. It was built so the cattlemen had somewhere to stay. It was built by a family who had the pastoral lease for this area, you might as well say. Not many people go there. They've tried to make it a bit historical kind of thing. I have read online that we're going to think of moving it to Pemberton, set it up there as just for people to see. But I've got to air down because it's getting a bit sandy and whatever else is up there, and try and get there tonight before sunset, which is about 4.5 hours. Fingers crossed it's an easy trip. I did hear it's quite hard, so we'll see. We'll find out. Let's get going. Tyres are all down. Fingers crossed we make it. Mate of mine who did this 2 or 3 years ago said they had to clear the track. Looks like it's been cleared a bit already, if this is the video I was talking about. I'm not sure. No one's driven down here in a while. I can see that. It's sandy, which is, he said they got stuck on the sand dune and had to help each other up. Well, I'm by myself, so what's this? So I got to not get stuck. If I do, I got gear to get me out, so it should be all good. But yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, what's this? Bit of a hill. Hold on, gotta go on. Easy. Yeah. So hopefully it hasn't overgrown again, and it's quite easy to get in. I'm hoping to get there before sunset, so I can check it out, have a look, stay there the night, and then head out tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get there. Alright, I'm gonna concentrate on driving. It's very sandy and hilly. Up, down, like there's sand dunes, but obviously vegetation over them, which is pretty cool. But there's one little valley I dropped into then. I'd hate to get stuck down the bottom. Like, it was hard. Come on. Oh yeah. Might have to drop my tyres more soon. We'll find out. Just like that, I'm on sand dunes, trying to find my way where I'm meant to go. There's the track. But you can still see where people have been. I wasn't expecting it to come so quick. I pretty well just saw a hill, booted, and I'm up here. Unreal. It's soft, but I'm getting there. We're just cruising. I think I've done the hard yards. I shouldn't speak so soon, should I? I think that's it. I think I'm through the dunes right now. The end of it. I don't think there's going to be any more until I come back out, obviously. I got in, I can get out. I'm sure that was the hardest part from what I said. Well, what my mate said anyway. Not I, but yeah, my mate. Anyway, I think I'm going to get there. Plenty of time to spare, which is good. There has definitely been no one down here in a little while. Oh, a long while. There is no tyre tracks, it's just animal, like roo or emu footprints everywhere. So, yeah, I don't think too many people know about this spot. You'll just have to wait and see. Well, I made it. Wasn't as hard as my mate made out. It was quite easy. But this is awesome. Unreal. It'd be a bit different if it was the middle of winter, because I don't think you'd get through down there. But turn around and check this out. How cool. Okay, it's held up by sticks, posts, whatever you want to call it. Look at that. It was built in 1880. It's hard to believe, isn't it? It's still standing with all the fires, the storms, everything. It's still standing. That is awesome. And if you look, you can see where they kept all the cattle. They're all posts. They're still standing too. No termites. No nothing. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I suppose you want to know what it's called, don't you? I'm probably going to pronounce this wrong because I am shocking at pronouncing, so I'll just show you. Bolgenup Hut. Probably a few viewers are going to go, you idiot, but there you go. Bit of history right there. Giblet family. At the pastoral lease, as I said earlier. Done an amazing job. Their heritage, it is awesome. That is just so cool. The old tap that used to catch all the rain. The old man in the tank. It's got a tap on it. I don't know how new that is, but it might be a new addition, you know. Oh, wow. This is cool. Ah, you think that's the front door? That is awesome. Wow. I can't believe it. I made it. Obviously, it might have had a bit of work done since, sorry, might have had a bit of work done since 1880, obviously, because she's pretty old. Shall we go inside? Let's do it. Wow, it's a table. Must have been the kitchen table. Jeez. Imagine living in this back in the day. Like, look here. Old boots. I don't know how old they are, but they look old. Come into the bedroom. Oh. Now, people whinge these days about their beds being hard. Imagine sleeping on these. How cool. That is just amazing. Oh, it's an old ladder. You can see there for getting up on the roof to fix it, I'm guessing. Tin. Cooking the billy. Speaking of billies, I have to get a fire going soon and set up camp. I don't think that was here in 1880. You might prove me wrong, but I don't think it was. That is pretty cool. Well, I come all that way just for that. It was an easy trip. It wasn't that hard, I've got to admit. But it is cool to see. And it's in pretty good nick, which is good. Now I've got to suss out where I'm going to camp. Just went for a walk around the whole, you might as well say, area. Have a little look-see. I'm going to go camp down the bottom down there. Away from here. I want to have a little fire, so keep warm during the night. So I'm going to go down the bottom there, well away from it. Be safe. But yeah, what an awesome spot, eh? Imagine being back here, coming in and doing this in 1880, settling this up, you know, getting the fence, clearing the land. Wouldn't have been an easy job. Especially on horseback. Like, it took me an hour to get in from where I aired down. They come from where that track goes. So, I think, maybe, I don't know. I don't know where they would have come from. They could have come straight through there. Who knows? Credit to them, it's still standing. Okay, with a little bit of help. Don't worry about that. But it's still here. Today, 2024, 124 years old. No. Yes. 100. No. 104. What did I say? 1880. Chop that bit out. My maths is terrible. 1880. 144 years old. Took me a little bit then, didn't it, to count in my head. Okay, this is camp. This is where I'm going to camp for the night. Just got to set it up. The old hut's over there. I'll be able to watch that as the sun goes down. Well, the sun's over there, but you know what I mean. It's going to be beautiful. Get a little fire going here, keep warm for the night. First, I've got to set this rooftop up. Might get myself a celebration drink. Why not? Pepsi, hey? Where's my stubby? Whew. It's getting cold. I must say. I can feel it on my legs already. I know, I'm in shorts. Cheers to the Giblet family for building this in 1880. I think might get the fire going. It's gonna get cold quick. As usual, brought my own wood. Not much there, I'm lucky there's a lot of dead stuff around here. Alright, I won't touch any of that. No, I'm just gonna use what's here to keep me warm. Whew, she's getting cold. Got myself some Jiffies, those other ones were shocking. And a new lighter, so don't burn my fingers. Just shows how quick that stuff goes up. Like, we've had rain down here in the southwest, and this thin stuff in here, it just took off with the Jiffies. Woof! Pretty crazy. But it was handy. The Jiffies are good. The longer lighter, a win-win.